Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeffrey, and this is a review of the Ultra Power S6AC, a 1S or DC lithium polymer battery charger. So let's see what you get in the box. On the top of the box we can see that the charger has 6 channels, meaning it can charge up to 6 batteries at a time. Each channel accepting 4 connector types. The charger can charge high-volt batteries and is adjustable from 0.1 to 1 amp. On the right side of the box we can see the selection of AC plugs available. Be sure to select the plug for your region. On the bottom of the box we can see the specifications of the charger. We will go through these details later in the video. Included in the box is the charger, the power cord, and the user manual. Now let's have a closer look at the charger. On the top of the charger we have a 6-port display, a select button, a setting button, and 6 charging port indicator lights. On the left of the charger we have the AC power input. The charger can be plugged directly to the wall socket and does not require an additional power adapter. This makes it very convenient as a desktop charger. On the right of the charger we have the DC power input. You can use a 2 to 4S battery to power the charger. This versatility means that the charger can also be used to do field charging, which is a really useful feature to have. On the sides of the charger, we have 6 sets of charging ports, 3 on each side. Each of the charging ports can charge either regular 1S batteries or high-volt batteries, and can charge batteries with 4 connector types. The connectors labeled MX and MCPX are what is typically used by small 1S powered drones. These are examples of typical 1S batteries. When charging batteries with different connectors, remember to check the connector on each battery and plug them securely into their respective connector on the charger. Each of the 6 charging ports can charge 1 battery at a time, for a total of 6 batteries charging simultaneously. And now I will give you a demo of how easy it is to use this charger. Simply plug the charger to the wall socket via the included cord, or plug a 2 to 4S battery to the charger. Once plugged in, the charger will automatically switch on. Plugging the batteries into the charging ports automatically starts the charging. When charging, the red indicator lights will blink and the display will show the current voltage of the battery and the charging amps. This is actually really useful because you can use the charger display as a voltage checker. You can also choose to pull out the battery when it reaches a storage charge if you have stopped flying for the day. The storage charge of a battery is 3.8 to 3.85 volts. When a battery is fully charged, the charger will beep, and the indicator light will turn bright green indicating which battery is fully charged. The corresponding display will also show the word full. You can then remove the battery. Using the select button and the setting button you can change several settings on the charger. The charging current can be changed from 0.1 to 1 amp. Each charging port can be changed to charge either a normal 1S lithium polymer battery or a high-volt battery. Instructions on how to change the settings are given in the user manual and are quite simple to follow. My overall opinion of the charger is very positive. I personally use this charger to charge my own 1S batteries because it's so simple and convenient to use. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, if you liked this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more stuff from me, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.